Solar System Saurayuth. Our Sun and the planets form the Solar System. The Solar System is part of a Milky Way galaxy. The Sun and the eight planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, their moons, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets form the solar system. Okay, let's study them in Malayalam. Mercury, Budan, Venus, Shukran, Earth, Bhumi, Mars, Chova, Jupiter, Vyayam, Saturn, Shani, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called the inner planets. They rotate slowly. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called the outer planets. They rotate quickly. Pluto is called a dwarf planet or a Plutoid, as it is too small to be called a planet. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury, and the largest planet is Jupiter. The planet Saturn has a ring around it. Asteroids or Chinnagrahangal are pieces of rock and iron that travel around the Sun. Then meteoroids, Ulkagal. These are smaller pieces of rock and small metallic debris that orbit the Sun. Comets, Dhumaketu. These are small icy objects that orbit the Sun. Fascinating facts. Asteroids are also called minor planets. Ceres, the largest asteroid, is almost 1,000 kilometers wide. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, was the first to direct his telescope to the skies to observe the Sun and the planets. Next, the Sun. The Sun is a dwarf star. It is the only source of light and heat for the whole solar system. It composed of hydrogen and helium gases. Its light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth. It is at a distance of about 93 million miles from the Earth. Fascinating fact, the temperature inside the Sun can reach an astonishing 15 million degrees Celsius. Ulysses, the spacecraft, made the first observation of the Sun in 1994. Copernicus, an astronomer, gave the theory that the Sun was at the center of the solar system and the other planets orbit around it. Next, the Earth. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system to support life. It looks blue from space as 70% of its surface is covered with water. The Earth rotates on its axis, thus causing day and night. Within it, the revolution of Earth causing the year changes. The Hubble telescope, named after Dr. Edwin Hubble, was sent into space aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. It sends data back to Earth on distant stars and galaxies. Next, the Moon. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It is made of rock and dust. The Moon does not have any light of its own. It reflects the light of the Sun. Neil Armstrong was the first person to set foot on the Moon aboard the Apollo 11 spacecraft in 1969 July 20. So July 20 we observe as Moon Day. Next, stars. A star is a very hot heavenly body. A group of stars that form a pattern is called constellations. The North Star or Polaris is the only star that remains in almost the same spot in the north sky. People have been using this star to guide them.
Okay, dears, thank you.